Hi, I'm Dan Healy with Independence RV in Winter Garden, Florida, and today I'm here with Jeff Cordier, one of our master service technicians, and we're discussing air conditioning service.
Dan, today we're going to talk about the service and maintenance of your rooftop air conditioner, which is obviously a very important piece of equipment on your RV.
Well, Jeff, how frequently should an air conditioning unit be serviced?
Dan, we recommend that the AC unit be serviced at least once every 12 months or even more frequently if you're a full-timer in your RV.
And what concerns are there regarding someone having an air conditioning unit serviced? Should it be done at an authorized service center, or can they do it themselves?
Well, certain aspects of the servicing they can do themselves, but due to the fact that the AC is powered from electrical current and it does contain a pressurized Freon system, we recommend that it be serviced at a qualified service center by a certified technician.
Very good. Well, let's talk about the types of things that you're going to do as a master certified technician and what you're going to look for as you're doing the servicing on a unit such as the one we have here today. What's one of the first things that you're going to take a look at on top of the recreational vehicle as you prepare to do an AC service?
As far as the rooftop portion of the AC, the first thing we're going to look at is the shroud itself. We're going to look around the outside edge of it, make sure that there's no large, dense, impact damaged cracks. You can see there's one small crack here. Then we're going to go to the top of the unit, make sure that there are no holes in the top of the cover itself, make sure that there's no sun UV damage to it, and make sure that it's doing a good job of sealing up the rooftop AC itself. One of the things that the owner of the RV can do before he brings his unit in for service is a visual inspection of the AC itself, and to make sure that it's secured to the base pan of the AC. The second part of the visual inspection is the gasket that goes between the AC and the roof of the RV itself. The gasket is this black material under the AC that seals the AC to the roof. You want to check to make sure there's no gaps under the gasket and that the gasket material itself is intact with no cracks, tears, or degradation. Part of the service and inspection of the AC involves cleaning the evaporator coil. We remove the cover from the evaporator coil so you can see exactly what we're talking about. This coil is where all the cooling takes place in the AC unit itself. If any dust, dirt, debris gets clogged into the coil, then the airflow is decreased and the cooling capacity of the AC itself is diminished. Another area that we're going to inspect and service is the AC junction box, control board, and wiring section. We're going to check all the wiring for any loose wires, burnt wires, any debris that may have accumulated in the box, and we're also going to look at the PC board to make sure there are no burn spots, loose wiring, or loose connectors on it. Another part of the AC that we're going to service and clean is the condenser coil. The condenser coil pulls air through the unit and may collect debris on the outside of the fins, such as dirt, bugs, leaves, and other things that are up on your roof. We're also going to check for damaged spots in the condenser coil, as you can see here where it's pushed down. We're also going to check the compressor and copper line area of the AC. We're going to make sure that the copper lines are free from the base pan, that they're not rubbing on each other, and then we're going to start looking for leaks around the base pan, the copper lines, and the compressor. We want to be looking for oil deposits on the base pan and any signs that Freon may be escaping from any of the lines. Then we're going to run an electrical test on the compressor itself. We're going to do an amp draw test to make sure that the compressor is running at the capacity that the AC is rated for. We're also going to check the fan motor and the fan cages. We're going to make sure that they're moving freely, there's no excess play, and that there's no debris built up around the fan cages.
What are some of the tasks that an RV owner can do to keep their air conditioning unit running cool and efficiently?
One of the easiest things for the owner to do is to keep his AC filters clean. On a Newmar unit, the filter simply pops out of the ceiling grill. It can be rinsed off in the sink and then replaced in the grill and snapped up into the vent. You want to do that at least once a month.
I want to thank Master Service Technician Jeff Cordier for showing us an Independence RV's AC service. You can make an appointment by calling the number listed below here to have your AC unit inspected and serviced here at Independence RV. Thank you for watching. Jeff, thank you for your assistance today.
You're welcome, Dan.
To learn more about RV air conditioning service or to make an appointment at Independence RV, please call 866-371-5168.